Get powerful performance without the hassles of gas. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT lithium-ion 36-volt brushless cordless string trimmer. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero emissions. The efficient Makita-built outer rotor BL brushless motor direct drive system provides high power and can deliver up to 6,500 RPM for faster cutting. Weighing only 9.9 pounds with batteries, this trimmer reduces operator fatigue on the job site. Go cordless and get up to 60 minutes of runtime under load on the low speed setting using two 18-volt LXT 5 amp-hour batteries. Other features include two speed options, which allows the operator to match speed to application. You get it all, but without the noise, emissions, maintenance, and expense of a gas-powered string trimmer. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.